Hey guys, wanna make your videos sound super professional? Let me show you how to easily add a voiceover to your video in Canva. No fancy software needed. Just follow these quick steps and you will be adding your voice to your project in minutes. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to add a voiceover to video using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. First, let's know what is Canva. Canva is a free, easy to use online tool that lets you create beautiful designs like social media posts, presentations, videos, and more. You don't need any design skills, just drag and drop elements to make your projects look professional. So let's get started. All I have to do right now is just come back to the top and you have to link in your email address and your password after clicking over sign up, or you click over apply now and you get started. I already have an account, that's why we don't have sign up and log in here. We'll just click over home and you'll find other page, which is this one as you can see. Right now all I have to do is just search for your specific thing that you want to create. For example, in this I will add a voiceover. That's why I will select one video. For example, I will here add a voiceover to my friend and a template to celebrate his birthday. So I will select, for example, this one. If I want, I will click over customize this template, or you can just here click over seal. Then you will find other page, which is this one as you can see. Right now I will just click over all filters and I will select here the style, the theme, the language, then the category as well, if it related to the business, social media, education, video marketing, print products, cards, and invitation. All right. So here we have theme, language, as I said, feature, grade, subject, topic, and also we have the price. I will select the free one. Then about the color, I will select the white one. Then I will click over apply and you will find at the page, which is this one as you can see. Right now we have just to select your template that you want, and here we have it right now. Or you can just right now come back to the home, and then you have to click over create a design and you'll select here the one you want. Firstly, you have to select if you want documents, whiteboards, presentations, social media, and also videos, custom size, uploads, and more. If you click over more, you will find here the popular thing. You will find here common layouts and sizes, office and business as well. Then we have marketing and promotions, as you can see. Then we have personal and event planning as well. So all right. So right now all I have to do is just here click over the videos and then you select here this one, which is videos. All right. So we have just right now to click over videos, then you'll find the page of design the template as you can see. So all I have to do right now is just to go here and select design and you search for the template. I will click over video birthday, then I will select this one. Then about the background, I will delete all these things. Also about this one, I will delete it. Then I will put this one as you can see. So I will just skip this one. I'll put it here. Then I will here add this one as you can see. Then I'll put it like that. All right. Modify here the size. All right. And right now I will add here text. Firstly, I will just here add a heading and I'll put it here in the top. I will click over here, or I will double click and I will here add happy birthday. All right. So then I will just here add, for example, I will go to the elements, then I will search here for example, birthday party like that, and then I will just click over videos. Then I will select, for example, let's select in this one. It's a good video to select this one as you can see. I'll put it here as you can see. About this one, I'll put it in the top like that. Then also I will add other things. For example, I will just go to the graphics. Then I will add, for example, some graphics that I think it's better. Right? So right now I will just here add, for example, I will just search for something special like this one. I will just put this one here. Also the birthday, I'll put it here. Then over this one, I'll put it in the top like that. right? So here we have it. And right now I will add other things here, such as, for example, photos. Here we have other thing. Let's just select it. All right. For example, I'll add this one. I'll customize the size as well, and I'll put it in the right. And then I will add here other things. For example, let's just add in this one, for example. Then I will just customize the size, and I'll put it in the left or in the top if you want. And here we have it right now, our template or our videos. So right now I will just here come back and I will click over uploads. I will show you how you can add a voiceover. I will just click over record yourself, then I will click over record, then I will get started. 3 2 1. Happy birthday to my friends. You are not my friends, you are my brother. So I wish you all good in your life. Then I will just click over save and exit on the top right, and let's wait for it. And right now here we have
Happy
it. Right
birthday to
now
my
I will
friends.
just
You are not
here
my friends, you are
customize the
my
size,
brother. So
and I'll put it in the top left, right? So right now I will just click over here to see it, how it looks.
happy birthday to my friends. You are not my
And
friends, you
this is
are
it's special
my
because it
brother.
add my
So
voiceover,
I
that's
wish you
why.
all good in your life. Happy birthday to my friend.
Right now I will just click over share and I will share the template. So I will just click over see all and I will click over present like that, and then I will click over present full screen, then I will click over present, and right now here we have it. Also we have other options here. For example, let's just come back here and I will just scroll down and I will find here applications, then I will just scroll down, then you will find here other options, which is audios. As you can see, I will just click over audio, then I will search for the niche that I want. For example, I will just search for happy birthday like that. So here we have happy birthday, and I will just select here this one. I will delete firstly my voiceover, and then I will delete frame, then I will add other things. For example, I will add this one, as you can see, and here we have how it looks. So let's waiting for it. And right now here we have how it looks. All right, so right now all I have to do is just share your template and let's get it started as soon as possible. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. So Canva is a super user-friendly design tool that helps you create stunning visuals and videos with ease. Whether you are adding voiceovers or customizing templates, all without needing any design experience. So this is for this video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.